Hello, good people. So today I'll be showing you how to add a side seam pocket to your trouser or to your skirt or to anything you're sewing at all. So as you can see it on the screen, this is so easy and you'll be able to achieve this within minutes. Getting a piece of fabric, scrap fabric, it could be any kind of fabric of your choice. I'm simply going to roll a baseline and measure like 7 to 8 inches downwards. So this will serve as the opening of my pocket. Then using a free hand, I'll simply draw kind of a half circle inwards. So to form the pocket bag. So as you can see, you can give it any shape of your choice. So I'm using this shape to make mine. You can make a square, you can make a circle or any shape. You can even do this one I'm doing. So the depth depends on you. I'm okay with this depth. You can make yours to 10 inches inwards. So I'm using this shape for mine. So I'm cutting 4 pieces of those and I'll be placing it on my fabric right side to right side. So I'll place it right side to right side and I'll place it about an inch beneath the waistband. So this is my fabric. Now I'm getting my pocket bag and I'm placing it right side facing right side, as you can see. So that point I marked earlier will be the point I'll start attaching it to the fabric, the side of the trouser. So I'm pinning it down and I'm using half of an inch to sew downwards to the end of the pocket bag. So I'm using my pen here so that I'll be able to see the points I'm marking. So I'll sew from this start. I'll sew down using half of an inch and I'll sew down to that point I marked beneath. So as you're sewing, try to be arranging it so that the pocket bag and the main side of your pattern of your trouser will be aligned together. So I'm sewing with half an inch to the end of that, to that point I marked, and I'll double stitch. So the next thing to do is to top stitch. So to do this, you have to flip the pocket bag to the other side. So you flip it away from the trouser, and then I'll make my top stitch on the pocket bag. So this top stitch will not be seen on the main fabric, but it will be visible on the pocket bag alone. So I'll do the same for other parts of the trouser. So the 4 sides of the trouser will get the same pocket bag and I'll do it the same way. So after doing it, I'm going to align both sides of the trouser together, ensuring that the pocket bags align together. So I'm going to place them in such a way that I can hold the two of them together and sew at once. So I'll use my measurement for shaping. Here I'm using 0.75 and I'll be sewing from the top of the fabric, the waistline. Remember we came down by an inch from the top of the main fabric. So I'll be using 0.75 to sew downwards. So on reaching this point, I'm coming down by half of an inch. Then from here, I will go in by half of an inch and sew around the pocket bag. I'll sew around through the shape and come out to this point by half of an inch and come out by 0.75. Then continue sewing, joining the side seam of the trouser. So here, as you can see, I'm starting from this end with 0.75, getting to that point I marked. I'm going to double back stitch couple of times, then turn it over and start sewing inwards into the pocket bag. So while sewing, ensure that the two sides of the pocket are together. Ensure that they are together as you stitch. So as you can see, you'll be turning it around so that you get the edges of the pocket bag. So I'll sew all the way to the other side of the side seam of my trouser piece. So you can use the same method for any kind of side seam to attach a side seam pocket to your garment. So on getting to this point, I'll stop at that point I marked, turn around and double back stitch couple of times as I continue to sew and join my side seam of the trouser. So that's just it, guys. After this, you just have to interlock the side seam together with the pocket bag and you have your inseam pocket. So as you can see right here, you have the side seam pockets and it's very easy to make. Please share your thoughts below and share your experience with me. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next one. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye.